Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can forward text message on your DOOGEE T10. So in the first step we have to open the text app, then choose the conversation. Now hold the finger on the separate message that you want to forward and click on the three-dot icon. Choose forward. You can pick the contact from the conversation list or just tap on the new message. And now you can type the number here. Or just choose something from your saved contacts. And now if you're ready, click on the send icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.